So when we're working with lead generation clients, one of the issues that we have as a Facebook agency is it's very difficult for us to, we can get them cheap leads, but cheap leads are not necessarily quality leads, right? So it's really hard for us to know which of our funnels, which ones of our campaigns or ad sets or ad creatives are actually leading to customers, so that we can ultimately optimize and scale those ads or those ad sets and campaigns. And the reason for that is because for most lead generation based clients, the sale takes place offline, right? It happens, at the hair salon store or in the restaurant or in the lawyer's office or in the doctor's office or at the gym. Very few lead generation based clients actually sell online. Even when you're running high ticket events, right? That happens on a sales call. So the way that we can optimize our activities and see which ones of our ad sets or our campaigns are actually leading to customers is through what we call offline event tracking. Now, it's really important that you note that this feature, which will allow you to essentially upload the customer database. So, after about a month or two of working with your client, you'll get them to send you through an Excel sheet or a CSV file of all their new customers, and you'll upload that into Facebook, and Facebook will be able to match that within about 70% to the campaigns and the ads and the ad sets. So set that expectation as well with your client. Let them know that, hey, there's going to be a bit of a discrepancy in terms of the match rate, but it'll be a bit lower than what we're seeing, but at least it'll allow me to optimize what we're doing. Now, here's what's important. This is not retrospective. So you can't, if you don't set this up from the beginning, in 2 months' time, if you haven't set it up, you can't just upload that customer database and it's gonna assign it to the ads, okay? So you actually need to set this up right at the beginning so that in 2 months' time, you can upload that sheet in and it will tell you which one of those customers came from where, which ads, etc. So what we're going to do is under our business manager, the second thing here to note is you do need to be an admin in order to set up offline events. So you may need to do a screen share with your customer and get this set up. It should only take about 2 minutes, okay? So we're going to click on offline events. And you're going to see something a little like this. So we're going to go click on Add Data Source. And we're going to click on Offline Event Set here. And you'll see a screen like this. So we're going to give it a name that makes sense to us. So maybe it's new customers. And then just give your agency acronym here. Great. Okay, now you can make it so that it automatically assigns to all new ad accounts that are created within the business manager that has admin access to that pixel. I wouldn't leave that on. All you have to do is just select the ad account that you are running the ads for. So your client's ad account in here, okay? So I'm just gonna go in and pick this for now. And click Next. And then click OK. And then you can also give access to your team here as well. We'll skip this for now. So that means that your team can upload the customer database. You don't have to do it, or you don't have to contact your client, et cetera, to do it all the time. Okay, so now we've set up the offline event. What we can then do is we can actually upload the customer list. So they do give you like a sample template here, so you can feel free to download this if you don't know how it needs to be formatted. Download this, send this to the client if you need to, and then you essentially just click on Select File and you follow the prompts. And when you're ready to, Facebook will then ask you to match, the name, the email, et cetera. And once you're inside the ad account, you can basically click on Offline Conversions, and it will pull up the reporting that you need to see in terms of which ones, how many conversions came from which campaigns, from which ad sets, and from which ads.